All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. All things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings. God made the glowing colors and made the tiny wings. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings. God made the glowing colors and made the tiny rings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The Lord God made them all.
Good evening all respected HM teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I am here to deliver welcome speech for our online English fest throughout this academic year. We all are restricted to our home. We have to learn through online classes due to COVID-19 outbreak. During this current situation, online classes definitely bridge the gap between students and teachers. We are extremely grateful to our teachers for giving us an opportunity to exhibit our talents through this online platform. I would like to welcome each and every one of you this program. Thank you.
Respected parents, colleagues, and dear children, after a long time, we are going to meet through this online platform. Even though we cannot reach in school classrooms this year, I know that all of you are fully engaged in online educational activities. Through the English Fest, we are going to exhibit the talents that are acquired from the English classes throughout this year. First of all, I wish to congratulate the students who are participating and the teachers who guided them. I am officially declaring that the English Fest of this year inaugurated. Best wishes for all. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all, respected HM, teachers, parents, and my dearest little friends. Today is a wonderful day for our school. The little friends of our school are ready here with their wonderful presentations before this world. And like the saying, the little drops of water make the mighty ocean. Our friends are going to make a mighty ocean of creativity. Let me appreciate and congratulate all the teachers, parents, and the little friends who make this program a fruitful one. I wish you all the best for this program and hope we can conduct an English Fest next year at school like we had before 2 years. I wish you all the best once again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
My dear friends, colleagues, DHM and students and PTA members and all of this. The present situation of education policy has been changed in an online level. So we have to sit in front of the computer, mobile, laptops and other electronic medias to perform our performances and capabilities and everything. And we also have to sit in front of the computer and mobiles, laptops, etc. to teaching. We the teachers of Virna School has been conducting English Fest for you to give your performance and exhibit your performance in online level in your attitude and your interest in English languages. We have started the program a couple of weeks ago, and we have given a time to exhibit your performance also. And you all have won that race because each and every student has participated in different ways in English Fest. You have all have wrote the books, wrote the stories, and performed in storytelling and songs, etc., etc. I congratulate all the students who took the participate in this English Fest also. You know better than me the what is the importance of English in present world, because English is the only language which gets a worldwide audience, and we can't move out of this country, and even we can't move out of the state without having knowing English language. So you read English books, you watch English news, and you read English news also, etc. Students, I thank all the teachers and all the students who took initiative and participate in this English Fest, especially the teachers of EP section, leather teacher Soumya, Deepa, Karuna, and all other teachers, Bindu Cave teacher, and all other teachers. They took their initiative and performed their capacities to make you in front of the computer. I congratulate all the students, all the teachers for this function, making it a wonderful one. Thank you.
Dear teachers and my dear friends, so today we are celebrating our English Fest in our school, right? Very happy indeed to participate in your fest. I am Srikanth, teacher in your school, and you may not have been familiar with me because we are in our home now. So actually, നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിൽ we have been celebrating this English Fest for the past 8 or 9 years, beginning in the UP section, upper primary section. Later, from 2016 onwards, it was extended to the high school section also. So actually, we celebrated the English Fest in a very grand manner for the last 3 or 4, or rather 7 or 8 years. So I know that you have come here today with a lot of brilliant, marvelous performances. So I know you have a host of poems to recite, some choreography performances I expect, then other speeches and the like. So now we know that the pandemic, this COVID-19, has thrown all of us out of the classrooms, and we are not able to conduct our performances. We are not able to present our this poem or speech or whatever may be in our school, but we are hoping for a better tomorrow. So in the near future, I expect that we may all be together in our school, and we may all be together presenting these performances in our school itself. So till then, for the time being, now we shall conduct this English Fest in our online platform. So we are all there with you, and I wish you all the best, and I extend my wholehearted support to your teachers, especially leather teacher, Soumya teacher, et al. So കുട്ടികളെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. വളരെ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ പെർഫോമൻസ് നടക്കട്ടെ. നമുക്ക് സ്കൂളിൽ വീണ്ടും കാണാം. അവിടെ നമുക്ക് ഈ പെർഫോമൻസ് എല്ലാം നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് ഒന്നുകൂടി ഈ വർഷം തന്നെ ആവിഷ്കരിക്കാം.
Hi friends, now I am going to recite a poem. Name White Ship. White ship on a blue hill. White ship on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk way slow. When the wind blows, you walk way slow. White ship, where do you go? White ship, where do you go? White ship on a blue hill. White ship on a blue hill. Thank you.